going on, guys? Welcome back to the Pro Polishers Academy, where we help paint correctors like you turn your systems into consistency by moving you through the learning curves faster, utilizing formulas that work without fail. I'm Smitty, owner of Modern Pro Polish here in Fayetteville, North Carolina, and I'll be your lead instructor. Let's get into it. Welcome to the Modern Professional Polishers Academy, where we answer daily questions, give you tips and tricks, and motivation to help you navigate the world of paint correction. So for this week's project, we have this 2020 Porsche Cayenne come in for paint correction and OptiCoat Pro. Man, this paint has been neglected for about 2 or 3 years now, and the owner said that it's rare that he ever washes it, and it might go through a car wash every now and then. So brought it in to get this oxidation off. The rails for the roof racks had really heavy oxidation on them, so we were able to clear that out using Optimum Hyper Polish, one of my favorite products to use. It'll really give you a deep luster and bring your finish back to where it's supposed to be, and really beyond that. Had some heavier swirls in it and a few rids, so we went ahead and compounded it using Griot's Fast Correcting Cream on their knitted wool pad with a Rupes 21, and the hood had been repainted. You can see a few blemishes in it, a couple pigtails in there from sanding, etc., but it looks good for the most part, and nobody's ever going to see those deeper defects unless they put it underneath the microscope. So it took about 2 days to do the project. The rain's been crazy this week. Humidity has been extremely high. Had a couple issues while doing the ceramic coating. We've got a humidity gauge in the shop, keep it on the table, and you can know and prepare for what's going to happen with specific humidity. So I didn't look at it today, but I know today it was probably 90 to 100% humidity with all the rain that's been coming in this week. After we got done with this thing, we pulled it out, and the owner was like, man, I can't drive this thing around town. He says it's gonna have fingerprints all over it real soon. So I told him just keep it up as best as possible, bring it back to us once a month, and we'll keep you looking good. So if the paint condition was what it was after 3 years, not a lot of crazy defects, just the average swirl and a little bit of oxidation, then once a month it will be no problem to keep this thing looking good. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this quick video of this week's project. We will see you next time. Get out there and get on it. The paint is waiting on you. Peace.